How you doing? Sean and Brian again with 2A Guys in Gear, and today we're going to do a little review on the M1 Carbine Paratrooper made by Inland. It's a new production.
Yeah, so this is the Inland M1A1 Paratrooper carbine, reproduction of the original Paratrooper carbine. And I got to tell you, Inland really did a great job on this gun.
Yeah.
So it comes with walnut stocks. It's an exact replica of the Paratrooper that was made back in the 40s, down to the point where it even has the cartouches in it. So it's a really good reproduction, and it's a solid shooter so far.
Yeah.
We have had some hiccups with the steel ammo, which if you want to talk about that.
Yeah, I took it out to the range last weekend. We were out there, and I bought, I don't know, 3 or 4 boxes of Tula when I was at the shows. So loaded up a mag, first round went bang, bolt didn't come back. It was literally stuck. I had to take it and hit this on a 2x4 to get it to
Right.
for the bolt to come back, to get it to eject the round out. It was that stuck, and I thought, well, maybe it's just had a bad round. Tried it again, same thing. And then today we tried a few rounds just to see if it went bang and worked.
Yeah.
And it runs fine on brass, so I guess lesson learned: don't run tool in it.
Yeah. Steel case isn't working, so maybe once it gets worn in and broken in, it might. I don't
maybe
know.
the heads or the chamber's just a little too tight.
Right.
For the steel.
So but otherwise, it does run well with the 15 round mag that it comes with, and then we also have some 30s that we're running through it today also, and it runs them both fine. So it does come with one 15 round. So the price on this gun, just like most or all M1 carbines, it's up there. It's at about $1,100, give or take.
Yeah, I think MSRP on it is 14 and some change.
Yeah.
And you can find them online anywhere from low 11s to mid 12s, give or take.
But if you're in the market for an M1 carbine, whether it's a replica or original, I think you're kind of expecting to pay that much money. So the price on them is definitely not coming down.
But if you want to go enjoy shooting it, then you can, spend the money, get one of these, and this be your primary shooter. And then for the collectors who don't want to shoot it a lot, you have that option as well.
That's true. So now with this gun, it does have the folding stock. I'm not a fan of folding stocks at all, but this one is actually surprisingly comfortable to shoot. So just having the wire piece for your cheek weld, and in order to fold this, there's no button to release or anything. You just force it over, and it folds it right in, and that's it. So nothing latches it in place. It'll flop around until you lock it back in. But that's it.
And I didn't like the looseness. So I talked to a few other people that actually have real ones, and they're just like that.
Okay.
They're loose, and this hits the wood. So I guess back then they didn't care about aesthetics, or they just wanted function. Yeah,
and it works.
Yeah. But I really like it.
Yeah, so do I. So I'm a fan. I've always liked 30 carbine. 30 carbine ammo is a little expensive to buy, so it's not going to be something you're taking out every day or every weekend, but it does add up.
Yeah,
but
I would like to try a box of the Wolf.
Right, just to
see,
run it and see what it does.
Just to see if it does the same thing.
Right.
Maybe it's just the Tula.
Could be.
And I also wish had a bayonet lug.
Right.
But then again, I'm not sure if these came with it or not. Maybe somebody else could answer that.
Yeah, that'd be good. If you know if the Paratroopers originally came with the bayonet lug, let us know down in the comments, because I honestly don't know. I'm not sure.
The grip's a little big, but
it's awkward, but it's easy to get used to.
Yep.
A magazine or two and you're used to it. So so we're gonna get back to shooting it, run some more of this brass case ammo through it and see how it does. And thanks for watching, and you guys can check us out at 2aguysingear.com, and then we're also on Instagram at 2aguysingear. Alrighty, thanks for watching.
See you.